Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Join me as I make another smooth and nutritious swallow. Today I will be sharing with you how to make plantain and cassava swallow. And so here I have 2 cups of plantain flour and 2 cups of cassava flour. As you can see, both the plantain flour and the cassava flour are of equal measurement. Next, I'll go ahead and transfer both of them into a cooking pot, then mix together with a wooden spatula. It's important to combine both flours together so that the swallow can come out very beautiful. Once properly combined, we go ahead to add some water to it. So I'll start by adding 3 cups of water to it with the same cup that I use in measuring out the flour. And after adding the water to it, I'll mix together until it is properly combined. Please note that this process of mixing it together is so important. You don't need to skip this process, as this will define the final texture of our swallow. If you want it to come out without lumps, then you must mix together properly to form a smooth batter. And after mixing it together and it becomes smooth, I'll be going in with 1 cup of water so that our swallow can come out very perfect. As you can see, we are using 4 cups of water to mix 4 cups of flour. As you can see, this measurement is so easy. So the number of cup of flour you are using is equal to the number of cup of water that you use in mixing. And after mixing and it becomes smooth, this is the consistency we need. Next, I'll take it to the heat and begin to cook. And so I will cook and stir continuously. I'm stirring it continuously so that it doesn't get burnt beneath, and also so that there will be no lumps in our swallow. As you can see, as I cook and stir, it begins to thicken up. I'll continue to stir so that there will be no lumps in it. And now that we have gotten to this point of thickness, I'll stir vigorously so that there will be no lumps in it. As you can see, as I stir, I'm pressing it to the pot. This is to dissolve any lumps that might want to form in the swallow. As you can see, our swallow is almost ready, but I'll still stir and cook for some more minutes. And after cooking and stirring for some time, I'll be bringing it together, then add water underneath, cover and cook on a low heat for about 3 minutes. And after adding water to it, I use the wooden spatula to press it down to make sure that the swallow is well seated on the pot so that it can be well cooked. And next, I'll cover and allow to cook for about 3 minutes on a very low heat. And after 3 minutes, I'll open and give it a quick stir so that it can be well combined. And after stirring it together and it is well combined, here we have it, smooth and starchy. This came out very beautiful, made from cassava and plantain flour. If you want to learn how to make plantain flour and cassava flour, please check the description box for the video link. And now that our nutritious swallow is ready, let's go ahead and serve. One thing I like about this swallow is the smooth texture. Try this plantain and cassava swallow and you always want to have more of it. You can enjoy this swallow with any of your preferred soup, whether egusi, ogbolo, vegetable or okra. And after adding it to a clean film, I'll wrap together. This will help prevent any kind of dryness in our swallow, so that whenever it wants to be taken, just bring it out and it will still remain smooth. And now that you have learned how to make this smooth and nutritious swallow, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment and share this with your loved ones. Please, if this is your first time of seeing my videos, I want to say thank you so much for watching. Kindly subscribe to Udu's Kitchen and turn on the notification bell so that when I upload new videos, you will be notified. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you had a great time learning how to make this smooth swallow. I'll see you again in my next video. God bless.